Welcome to English Rice Talk. Today we will listen to the inspiring, heart-touching life story of a man who became one of the biggest stars in Indian cinema. A man known for his strong body but an even stronger heart. A man who proved that dreams to come true even if you start from a small village. This is a story of Dharmendra, a story of hard work, honesty, kindness, struggle, and success. Let's begin. Dharmendra was born in 1935 in very simple village called Sonar in Punjab, India. His family had no connection to films. They were farmers, life was simple, and money was limited. Dharmendra was a quiet child. He did not talk too much. He was shy. He never showed off. His nature was soft and gentle. But inside this shy boy, there was a big dream. He loved watching movies. He loved sitting in the theater and looking at the big screen. He once said, "When I saw the hero on the screen, I felt I could be there one day." He did not know how, he did not know when, but he had a dream in his heart, and sometimes a dream is enough to change a life. Dharmendra was known for his soft heart, even as a child. If someone was hurt, he helped. If an animal was injured, he would take care of it. There was a small incident many people still remember. One day during heavy rain, a little bird fell to the ground. Everyone walked away. But Dharmendra picked it up gently, wrapped it in cloth, and took it home. He kept the bird warm. He fed it. And after 2 days, the bird flew again. This simple act show who he truly was. A boy with a very big heart. Even though Dharmendra dreamed of films, real life was different. His family was not rich. Money was always a problem. He never even thought that one day he would be in Bombay, acting in front of cameras. Still, he kept his dream alive because dreams have power. They keep burning inside us, even when the world fails us no. One day when Dharmendra was a young man, he saw a advertisement in magazine called Filmfare. The ad said Filmfare talent consents, searching for new actors. Anyone could send a photo and apply. Dharmendra had no professional photos, no fancy clothes. He took a simple black and white pictures and sent it. He did not expect anything, but life had a surprise waiting for him. A few months later, he received a letter. You are selected for the final round in Bombay. This was unbelievable. A farmer's son from a small village selected in a national contest. But there was a big problem. He had no money to travel to Bombay. His family collected whatever little they had. Some friends helped. His father gave blessing. And with no one small bag and one big dream, Dharmendra left for Bombay. When he reached Bombay, he was shocked. Tall buildings, busy crowds, loud traffic, everything was new. He had no relatives in the city, no place to stay, no idea what could happen next. But he had courage, he had a faith, and he had a dream. The Filmfare audition day came. There were many young men. Some looked rich, some spoke good English, some looked confident. But Dharmendra stood quietly in the corner. Simple shirt, simple personality, honesty eyes. When he gave his introduction, he said very softly, "My name is Dharmendra. I am a farmer's son. I want to learn acting." His words were simple, but his Sincerity touched the judges. They choose him. And that moment became the turning point of his life. Dharmendra now had a chance, but he also had a long struggle ahead. His life in Bombay was very hard. He lived in a small room. Sometimes he had food only once a day. He took long train rides to studios. He stood in lines for audition. He waited outside office of hours. But he never complained. He never lost hope. He believed, work hard, stay honest, God will do the rest. Slowly directors noticed his honesty and his looks. He started getting small roles. The journey and began. Dharmendra's first real break. After many months of struggle in Bombay, Dharmendra finally got his first proper role. A director named Arjun Hingorani gave him a chance in a film called Dil Bhi Tera Hum Bhi Tere 1960. It was not a big film. It did not have a big budget, but for Dharmendra, it was everything. He was nervous on the first day. His hands were shaking. His voice was soft, but the director told him, "Don't act, just be yourself." And that is what Dharmendra did. He acted with honesty, with natural expression, with pure heart. The film was not a huge hit, but every person who saw it said one thing: this boy has something special, and that was enough. After his first film, Dharmendra did not become a star overnight. He still faced many struggles. He got small roles, sometimes supporting roles, sometimes second hero, but he never complained. He took every role seriously. He believed every small step takes you one step closer to your dream. Directors started noticing him. Producers started offering work. And slowly, one film after another, people began to remember his name. In the mid 1960s, Dharmendra started getting romantic roles. This film made him very popular. Anpad, Bandini, Mamta, Bharan, फिर भी आएगी. People love his gentle smile, his soft expression, his simple, natural acting. Women admired his men respected him, families love him. He became known as the gentleman hero. He never smoked or drank in real life. He was a humble, respectful, and soft spoken, and this made him even more loved. In the early 1970s, everything changed. People saw a new Dharmendra become stronger, more confident, more powerful on the screen. He did action films and he did them better than anyone. Movies like Phool Aur Patthar, Jugnu, Yadov Ki Barsat, Pratigya, Dharamveer made him the action king of India. His strong body and fearless style made him famous as he man of Bollywood. But the best part, even though he looked strong on screen, his heart remained soft and simple. He never changed his nature. Dharmendra was not a star. He was also a kind man. He treated everyone equally, from directors to spot boys. If someone needed help, he helped quietly. If someone was sad, he spoke kindly. If someone was struggling, he supported them. Many people say this about him. Dharmendra is a hero not only in films but also in real life. One small story proves. During a shot, a worker fell from a height. Everyone panicked, but Dharmendra ran to him, picked him up, and rushed him to the hospital. The worker later said, "He saved my life." Not a hero of films, but a hero of humanity. 1975, a film that changed Indian cinema forever. Sholay. Dharmendra played Viru, a fun, loving, brave, emotional character. Viru was full of life. Viru loved sincerely. Viru cared deeply. Viru fight bravely. And Dharmendra play him perfectly. The Tanki scene, the Basanti romance, the friendship with Jai, everything become iconic. Sholay made Dharmendra a legend. Even today people remember Viru with love. Even after so much fame, Dharmendra stay humble. He lived simply, ate simple food, wore simple clothes, spoke politely to everyone. He He often said, success goes to the head, but I want to it stay in the heart. This is why the whole country respected him, not just an actor, but is a human being. Dharmendra kept fighting, he kept traveling, he kept facing rejections, but he never stopped. One day, something special happened. Dharmendra went for another film test. He did not expect anything. He just wanted one more chance. He stood in front of the camera, smiled, and did his scenes with full honesty. A few days later, he received a letter. The letter said, "You have been selected." At first, Dharmendra could not believe it. His hands were shaking, his eyes became wet. He held the letter to his chest of whispered, "Thank you, God. My struggle was not wasted." This was the start of his journey. Dharmendra came to the set of his first movie. He had no experience. He had no timing, no training. He had no connections. Everyone around him looked confident. Director, actors, crew members, they all knew their works. But Dharmendra felt like an outsider. He stood quietly in one's corner, watching how people work. He wanted to learn. He wanted to improve. And soon people started noticing something special about him. His humble behavior, his deep eyes, his honest expression, his simplicity. He did not try to act like a hero. He just acted naturally. That natural truth made people love him. The rising star. In the next few years, Dharmendra acted in many films. Some were successful, some failed, some did not even release properly. But he kept going. Slowly, his name began to grow. Audience started calling him the He-Man of Bollywood, the handsome star, the people's hero. Why? Because Dharmendra was not pretending, he was real, he was emotional, he was strong, he was kind. People felt a connections with him because he came to struggle just like them. Every scene he acted in felt honest. Every emotion he showed felt true. He became a star not because he looks but because of heart. Even after becoming famous, Dharmendra never acted like a big man. He still woke up early. He still practiced in front of the mirror. He still respected everyone on set. He once said, "Fame comes and goes, but hard work stays with you forever." This line is powerful. This line is the truth. This line is what made Dharmendra an icon. Dharmendra was known for his humility. He touched the feet of older people. He spoke respectfully to news artists. He helped technicians voluntarily. He always thanked his fans. When someone said, "You are a superstar," he helped. "No, I am a simple man who got love from the audience." The humility made him even greater. In a world full of pride and ego, Dharmendra remained grounded. In a world of artificial glamour, he remained natural. In a world that tries to change everyone, he remained himself. Many people think that once someone becomes successful, their problems disappear. But that is not true. Even after becoming a star, Dharmendra faced criticism, competition, pressure, personal struggle, emotional pain, but he stay strong. Why? Because he remember his father words. Never fear struggles. Struggle is the teacher who makes a man strong. This world stay in a Dharmendra's heart forever. One day during a shot, Dharmendra was injured. Everyone told him, take rest, postpone the shoot, and go home. But Dharmendra said, if I stop now, my spirit will break. I continue shooting, I continue working, I continue growing. This is a why his story inspired millions. Dear viewers of English Rice Talk, remember this. Whatever you dream is, a job, a business, a talent, an opportunity. Your journey will be full of struggle. But struggle is not your enemy. Struggle is your coach. Struggle is your partner. Struggle is your path. Dharmendra life teaches us you don't need to born rich. You just need to stay strong. You just need to be honest. You